Just started streaming. Good morning. HOVE, huh? Moving back up here in pre-market. Guys, I might take HOVE above 370, 77, excuse me, here in pre-market, so. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on our news. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and buy a little bit of HOFV, excuse me. Alright, so we're going to go ahead, go over the news. Alright, so top headlines this morning. Right now, White House is to target bank mergers financial data with competition order. President Joe Biden planned executive order to promote greater U.S. competition with target bank mergers by pushing the Federal Reserve and Department of Justice to update merger guidelines and increase scrutiny on deals, according to a source familiar with the matter. Robinhood gives founders second chance at $1.4 billion windfall. The trading app Robinhood is giving its billionaire founders 4 more years to hit share price targets that trigger a stock awards worth $1.4 billion, according to regulatory filing and 4 executive compensation experts who reviewed it. So, also they gave up or forfeited their revenue. P.S. Boeing here in pre-market is trying to break our level already. A second entry for me would be probably the break of 240 if it breaks that level. But I would want to probably watch that on the hourly for confirmation. So. Marlboro Philip Morris to buy UK drug maker in beyond nicotine push. Marlboro cigarette maker Philip Morris agreed to buy British drug maker Vectura for $1.44 billion to bolster its portfolio of products that are free from tobacco or nicotine. Pfizer BioNTech to seek authorization for COVID booster shot as Delta variant spreads. Pfizer and BioNTech plan to ask U.S. and European regulators within weeks to authorize a booster dose of its COVID-19 vaccine based on evidence of higher risk of infection 6 months after inoculation and the spread of highly contagious Delta variant. So that's might be worth watching. I know that we reviewed some BioNTech companies. If you guys just got HOFV with me here in pre-market, not bad. Hold on 1 second. Ooh, I almost bought 20,000 shares of HOFV. Not quite yet there, baby. is HOFE at? Hold on 1 second. Sorry, I'm just trying to buy.
Order filled.
Oh, thank you. Whee! Nice fill. Okay, sorry. XELA. That one pumped yesterday, but I think it fell pretty hard, man. It's holding the 200-day EMA, but it's got a bear flag on it, so be careful. Anyway, so back to the news. Online paymaker firm Stripe takes first steps towards blockbuster listing. Sources from sources, the Stripe, the most valuable U.S. technology startup, has taken its first steps towards a stock market debut. When I promise you, I will be there to buy stocks for the long term, whether that means waiting for a week for a dip or whatever that means. I will possibly also be looking to play that as soon as it IPOs. Because I think that one's going to be big, just like PayPal and all those other guys. So, all right. So going over the futures, futures for the Dow and the S&P rose as energy and banking shares rebounded from a sharp sell-off that was triggered by growth worries. European stocks rose on bargain hunting in Asian equity markets. Chinese stocks ended slightly lower, weighed down by data showing that the country's annual factory data. Our factory gate inflation remained uncomfortably high. Japanese shares fell to near 8-week low, but losses were trimmed on hopes that the Bank of Japan would have stepped in to support the market. Treasury yields rose after an 8-day price rally with the dollar slipped, while the dollar slipped amongst its peers. In commodities, oil prices added to gains as U.S. inventories declined, and concerns over the Delta variant COVID-19 supported gold prices. Might be worth a look here in the future. I remember Robinhood giving me these shares, but those of you, it's not the best stock to play, but it could be worth a look. Levi Stratus did beat earnings. Levi, LEVI. They shot up to $29.85 before pretty much rejecting, and right now they're sitting in pre-market at $29.30. Those option contracts are relatively cheap, so I may look to take a position there. So, order filled. HOFV. Nick, that question has a lot of I don't want to. There's no way that I could say and call myself legitimate that I know what the best calls are for today, right? I have a watch list, right? And it's right here. And for the most part, I'm looking for price action to confirm my, whatever setup I see. I'm looking for price action to show me whether or not continuation is possible. And if it is, then I will take a position at that point. But if I was to tell you right now that absolutely something's going to run, then that would, especially with the way that the market just gapped down and stuff like that, yeah, I do expect Amazon to run. I think BA could bounce. I think HOFV should see some solid continuation as well. I mean, there's a lot. Honestly, I'm a little scared on Tesla. And I thought that might be a good setup, but right now I'm pre-market showing I don't like when stocks lightly gap up to resistances where they could end up getting a rejection. So we're going to need to see volume at the bell. But it'll just be when, honestly, and we'll trade live today, but it'll just be a reaction to price action. So just somebody had a question about that Wall Street Bets dude. He made a small account and is down 43%. So he asked me what calls were the best, and I was telling him I don't think that that's even a good thing to like say that something's the best call. If you guys entered HOFV, we are moving up. I know that Atlas is already in, but I'm in too. Okay, so let's go over major ETFs really quickly. What time do we got? It is 8:57. So we have SPY, of course. All right, so yesterday spotted this trend line here. Looks like that SPY is trying to go for, and this is right where that wick was rejected. So this is a rejection point for SPY. SPY is going to need to break 433 in order to see continuation, where the next level above that would likely be 434.50. That would be a good sign on, I'll take a look at AMC in just a minute once I get done with these ETFs. Let's see here. So anyway, I'd like to see SPY break that 433 level, and then with a potential target around 434.50. So I've got an alert set here as well. Otherwise, we will likely see a little bit of a pullback to support. But the thing is we've already had 3 bounces off of support, so that could be a breaking point. So below 231.50, more than likely we'll see continuation to the downside. Nike, somebody just asked me that on there too. Yeah, I will take a look at Nike as well. Just a second. All right, so looking at the Qs, this one pre-market bounce off of resistance, turn support. We can go out here to the hourly. This is the setup that we have. All right, so almost like a little bit of a triangle here. What is going to need to happen here, it's pretty self-explanatory, is 359.50 and then of course 360 right above that. Those are going to be, and you can already see that there's wicks off of both of those levels. 360 right there, there's a wick off of that, and then of course we see the rejection off of 359.50 where we're being held down currently. So we have the previous resistance turned support, and you can see that here, and we're holding it. So what we're going to need to do is see, like I said, a break above 359.50, then that 360 break. If we get that 360 break, then we could see Qs and the rest of them head back up to the previous highs. So that could be positive for any tech stocks that you're watching. Can't really see the charts. How's that? Oh, I never transitioned. Yo, my bad. Whack. Anyway, that's, I'm sorry. OBS. Thanks, guys. Okay, so move my little self. There we go. Yeah, no, thank you guys for telling me. So here's your levels on the Qs.
Guys, just for anybody that's buying, don't waste your time on spam. If you're not in, that's it. Like, it's made the move. It's priced in now at 324 and some change. This thing's gonna move like 50 cents, if that. So you can make money off of the move, right? So you just leave it where it is. Don't mess with it. If you want to trade it and just own it, you can. I mean, I don't know if you'll get anything off the deal when it goes private, but that's it. Like, that's the move that's been made. So market makers are going to move it to the price that it needs to be at for the deal to occur. That's it. You're not going to see any major fluctuations. Unless for some reason the deal does not go through and then this thing's absolutely going to dump. But they've already agreed to the deal. It's $1.6 billion, all cash.
Wow. Wow.
Here's the terms, okay? Under the terms, Stamps.com stockholders will receive $330 in cash for each share they own. A 67% premium on the company's closing share price on Thursday. All right, so the most this thing will move is $6, and market makers will not let it move $6. Here's why. Because then market makers are not making any money when the transaction happens. Okay? So market makers are going to let it sit there at a discount. You can buy it up, and you'll make $6 per share when the acquisition actually happens. So that's the most amount of money you can make off this, and I don't know when the transaction is supposed to go through. Other than that, I don't recommend touching it. I'm not going to spend $324 to make $6, but it's up to you.
Real quick, sorry. I just saw news. Do you know anything about Gene? Gene? They had,
We created it before, but I don't know much about it.
Yeah, they just got it says genetic technology says polygenic risk for, or excuse me, where was that story? Yeah, it's not a whole article, it's just the headline, but the risk scores for ovarian and pancreatic cancer in late stage development are good, I guess, is the one thing.
Yeah, I'm seeing it covers, they create some kind of panel test that covers 70% of cancers.
Yeah, I think so.
That's pretty cool.
Another one. Oh, go ahead, sorry.
It's not moving at all right now. Run for sure.
Yeah, there's a why is that weird? It doesn't show me the whole headlines. It's like a quarter of them. Do I have to expand it? No, it doesn't even show me that. Oh, there we go. Hold on. Sorry, my bad. I'm awake. Sorry. Oh, STM got a price target raised to 39. That's nothing crazy. Never mind. Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, I'm gonna go over Baba and everything. Lastly, I went over IWM. I was just looking at it here, making a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders. So that's what went above 225 today. For a potential retest of 227, which is also the support that was broken previously. So that's where I would be watching. First rejection might be at 226.25, but that could let small caps run penny stocks and stuff like that. So let's see here. Dow. Dow looking to hopefully break above 344.50. That would likely allow us to head back up. We could see BA. Cat actually had a good setup. I posted a lot of my watch list in my channel. So if you guys haven't looked at my channel yet, you should do that really quick. A break and downtrend would be 216.75. I don't know why I keep thinking about lemonade today for no reason. It just keeps popping up in my head.
That means you just want to take it long, bro.
No, because it's making a bear flag. I'll take it short. Look at the bear flag on the 4 hour underneath the 200-day EMA. It would need to recover a 98, and then I'll take it either way. That's alright. Maybe I just need to set an alert on it. Okay.
Yeah, just send a couple alerts and see if it dies down.
What if they get news? Amazon buys them.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Stop.
Nah. It's possible, but damn.
Yeah, right. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go over, did you find it? Huh? Can I just send it to you or something? Mm-hmm. Do you have your card? Sorry.
No, you're good. I thought you were talking to me. I was confused.
No, you're just talking to Peyton. So, space. If you take a look here on the hourly, You can see the setup that has been drawn. I shared this chart yesterday. Right now, space is going to need to break above 53. If we break above 53, then this flag is likely valid, and we should see continuation to the upside in anticipation for the launch. So I have alerts all over this thing. I did swing some YOLO contracts from yesterday that were up a lot, and I took profit on the majority of them, but the last couple of them ended up paying for like the entirety of the trade and even more. So weekly options can be quite lucrative, but they are slightly inflated, so don't play with them unless you're quick with your hands and you can get in and out, and you have an exit strategy. So
Can you send me my cash app?
yeah. Do you know what you need?
No, I'm going to get the kids some apples. They're begging for them.
Apples? Wow.
Yes.
Okay. 1 second.
That's pretty much it.
Is that it? All right.
Yeah, just kidding.
So $6.
We just need to get milk. Yeah, right. My apples. I'm just gonna pick up a few house things we need. That's it.
Okay. I just sent you 100, so let me know if you need more.
Huh?
I just sent you 100. Sorry, guys. Groceries. My kids are apparently begging for apples. We have an apple. We have an apple bill. I've told this to like Manny and Alice, but legitimately, my children eat so many apples. My daughter eats about 2. My son eats 2 to 3 a day, which is probably too much. But we haven't been to the doctor anyway, so hopefully that.
Apple a day keeps the doctor away, bro.
I know, so they should be set, and their insurance bill should be down. So anyway, go ahead.
When you get a chance, check out Snow 300.
Yeah, I will. I'll check that out. Okay, got a few more, guys, and then I'll go ahead and take a look at your setups. So Amazon setup looks great, but that's kind of scaring me a little bit. It very aggressively filled its gap and held a new high, currently holding our previous or July 7th high, right around that 37.20 level. So in order to see a break in downtrend, which we technically have on a smaller time frame, but it does look like this pattern has kind of extended itself. So pulling this out here, bam, and then boom, right here. So you see Amazon's got this little channel, this little flag. So basically I'm gonna wait for this trade to come to me. So 37.40 or 37.40.50 is where I would like to with volume, potentially take a position. And I'm watching this, looking at this, of course, on the 5-minute. Also, HOLX, it gave me an alert today. If this one rejects at the bell, then, and this one was actually brought up to me by somebody else, so thank you for that recommendation, but I actually may take this trade, as it does have a pretty nice cup and handle here, on 4-hour time frame if you want to, or hourly, or daily, excuse me. But you have this, the only thing that is worrisome is this looks like an ascending wedge, so we're going to need to break that resistance. That resistance would push us into a daily gap. That gap ends at 72.50. So I don't know. I haven't really traded this a lot, but it historically looks like it does make and cover some decent ground. Hi, YouTube is right there. Hi. Okay, you're on YouTube.
She wanted to say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You going to the store? You say bye to YouTube?
No, tie.
What's that? Do you want to go bye-bye with Mama?
You want to go get apple?
You want to go get apples from the store?
No. Baba, mommy, bye-bye.
Yeah, you want to go bye-bye in the car?
Oh, yeah.
All right, go with Mama.
No,
Sorry, guys. Go ahead, Atlas. If you want to get to the news, I'll cover the rest. Here you go. Bye-bye. I love you.
What you got?
See you.
Your marker?
All right. Atlas, are you there? Oh, he left. Okay. I should have asked her if we're bearish or bullish. She has gotten big, dude. She's not even hardly even 2. Okay, so weirdly enough, Plug Power had a reasonable bounce. Wasn't a crazy bounce, but it does have a. I want to say it's an inverse head and shoulders. I'm gonna just let you guys know that I'm willing to take this both short and long, depending on for a day trade, of course. If this one does end up reversing above 30.75, and then from there, I'm going to be watching for this one to hit 31.85, where I could potentially play some option contracts out till next week. BA, decent setup here, huddled underneath the hourly 200-day EMA, 9-day moving average here. So would like to see a potential EMA crossover. And volume, of course, with the Dow moving in the right direction. The one thing that I will say is a little bit overbought. You just found out you're having a kid. Congratulations, man. Save your money for apples. Basically above 239.50, and don't, if you scalp this one at the bell, don't trust watch it on the hourly, but don't trust that it's going to. We know how Boeing moves. Boeing can literally go up, hit that mark, and reverse right in your face immediately. So this BA is, and I will just say it is better for somebody who has hotkeys, who can enter and exit trades with a click of a button, rather than having to go on your phone. So if you feel confident in taking this trade, if we do see solid continuation above 240, then we could see some nice moves there. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and look at your request here. Wait for Atlas to get on. Wish making a very small hourly inverse head and shoulders. It's not super definitive, but I would watch a Wish above 1135. And with the first immediate target of 1170. If meme stocks run, then we could see a break and downtrend, and confirmation of what could potentially be future upside around 1215. So one of those two things happens, then we should see Wish with some continuation. So it does look like, though, on the hourly, we have actually broken that downtrend. So unless I run off the wicks, but even if I do that, we still have a very light break and downtrend with the 9-day moving average following up very closely. So I would just watch that one today. Volume is going to be your number one indicator. So watch the tape. VTSI. Yeah, I've seen that one. I think I looked at that one on YouTube last night. Okay, so Nike was one that you guys. Momo actually was first. Momo is at a major support level, so you need to see a bounce today, or a bounce in the next couple of days. So the 1360 and 1385 zone. That's where you're holding up right now. So you had a double top here. If you break this support anywhere below 1350, and more than likely you're going to see a retest of $13, which is your next and nearest support. So do I connect the audio? No. Talking with a child? Yeah, it might be my child. Oh my god. Yo, that is hilarious. Yeah, that's hilarious. Hold on one second. My fiance is in the car right in front of me, and my Bluetooth connected over there, so everybody just heard my daughter and my fiance in the car. That's funny. That's them. Matthew, how do you know that, man? FBI agent over here. Okay, so just trying to cover these really quickly, guys. We have just a few minutes. AHT looking like a hot crock of garbage here, dropping down to its what has really just been its main support. Honestly, AHT around 175. That's where its nearest support is, but it did hit $2.15, $2, which is also a relatively big support. You have a massive gap above you. I guess I did some charting on this previously, but honestly, I would look for a move over 265 or even 275 in order to see some type of positive movement from AHT, because that gap down was pretty massive. More than likely, you're going to continue to consolidate until these moving averages catch up with you. So. No, pre-market has nothing to do with what the day go. A lot of the times you can have small gap ups, and then the saying that all gaps get filled can reign true, where you end up gapping, filling that gap below you, and then if you don't gap and go, you're going to pretty much gap and fall. So, okay, AMC. Up yesterday. I think I was talking about the descending megaphone. So AMC is just going to need to see a break above 50. 50 is its key level right now. Then, of course, I'm going to be watching, I think my next resistance is around 54.85. I do have a 200-day moving average here at 51.80 as well. But this descending megaphone here could end up playing out. If we end up getting a rejection, we're going to fall hard. So it does look like a bull flag, but a lot of times the most obvious setups can be can be traps. So Nike.
It's a trap.
Nike's a trap.
I just had to say it because you said it. All I think of when somebody says that is that meme.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. I'm not sure what SLS. Oh, the ticker. So on Nike, I have an HMA at 162.30. I've got the high at 160, 165. I've got an overbought RSI. I've got a gap from 134 all the way to 152, now holding a high of 161. That's a phenomenal move on what was consolidated going all the way back from December of last year. So that being said, it looks good with the bounce off of this 9-day moving average. That's pretty obvious, but it needs to break that HMA in order to see continuation. So you may see further consolidation, or you may end up seeing a pullback. If I go look here on the hourly, right now or today, I would watch this one above 161.58 for a potential push to 162, or that daily HMA that I was talking about at 162.11. So, okay. Let's see here. AGRI. All right, guys, I got to go ahead and finish up. I can't. That one's newly IPO'd.
Yeah, here, I can talk to that real quick.
Oh, really? Some dude asked about. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and leave the rest. Look, can I cover Baba really quickly? Okay, so Baba here on my playlist today as well. What do I think of fractional shares? I think they're great. I think fractional shares are great. If you're not buying a share of NVIDIA and trying to, like, 1/16 of NVIDIA and trying to hold it to become profitable, find something smaller. But anyway, so I kind of similar to yesterday, right? Where I saw that gap down and I saw the wick shoot up and then reject immediately. Same thing here, support, right? We hit support at 199.54 or 45 where we did yesterday. So in order to see a break to the upside, I'm going to be watching for a break of 203.50. that would likely lead us into what was the previous gap that was filled in pre-market, so that might not necessarily be filled all the way. Still has a couple cents, but 208.36 will be the third target. The first or second target, I don't know why I'm going backwards, is 206.60, and then the first target is going to be the first wick right there at 205. So that's above that pre-market high right now at 203.65. So again, please be careful with weeklies, guys, especially if you're if you're in the Robinhood. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the rest of Atlas. I'm gonna step back really quickly. I'll let you guys listen.
Sorry, guys.
Go for it. No, go for it. Yeah.
Okay, so AGRI, that's the momentum play. There's no use riding that. I actually traded that after hours yesterday around $4.87 was my entry. I exited this morning at 7 a.m. at like 9:50. So almost 100% play. Right now, it took a big hit in pre-market and is trading sideways, but the way it's building that support in pre-market tells me that there's a potential for it to go back up and retest 9. If it retests 9, you should see a rejection at first, unless volume is absolutely insane and it's just going to break through. Remember, this is a low float stock. There's about 2 million shares on the float. So if a lot of retail gets after it, it can start halting very quickly, like CarB did. It's not going to halt as quickly as CarB because CarB was 500,000 shares float, right? That's completely different. This thing's almost 3 times the size. So it can hold, it just needs way more volume than CarB had. So first level would be, if you were to enter now or wait for a pullback and enter, your first level would be the resistance of 830. That looks like an easy break. Then you have 906. That you might have a little bit more of a hard time with. But once it breaks 906, it's good to 1067, and then you could really break 14. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to take profit at 14 this morning. That would have been a great exit, but that was at 5 a.m. and I was not awake. So just watch out for it. Keep the stock, nearby. It's definitely going to run today. There's a lot of sentiment on it. Another one to watch is GALT. They had some positive data come out from a trial for some drug they're working on. I'm not exactly sure what the drug does, but it's a phase 1B trial. So phase 1Bs tend to kind of trade in a specific manner. So if you're familiar with how to trade phase 1Bs, which they can trade differently depending on how the news comes out, but just keep that on watch. One thing to note with this is that the drug that they're using is specifically related to melanoma and in head and neck cancer. So, if you know anything about cancer drugs or melanoma, that's a stock for you to watch. Currently, it's building like a base and it's kind of curling. So if it doesn't break this base, I would say you're safe to go long all the way to 453. And if it breaks that, you have a high day at 5 or 491, and then 5 is a number I would definitely trim at. RSLS is a good one to keep watching. So the CEO came out last week, and I don't know if some of you guys remember, I was in this trade. I had trimmed a good portion of the stock when we had a big run gap, and sold I think around $7 or $8. And then he fell down really hard. And one of the reasons we fell down was the CEO came out and said that some shares were getting exercised through a warrant, which dilutes the share count, and it's absolutely done for 3 or 4 days straight. Right now, it's starting to recover. This stock, in my opinion, should be averaged around $10, or should be valued around $10. Before the dilution, my target was 14 for it. But since it's been diluted, I would say 10 to 11 bucks is a good target for it. So keep that on watch. Up to 10 bucks max. Really $8 where I can see this thing going back again. There's a couple other runners. TBLT kind of showing some movement in Premarket.
Yeah, I have.
GUPW.
Yes.
LMPX. Recon, RCON. HOFV is a good one to watch. They had some news this morning.
Yeah.
I got into the Premarket. So it's doing, it's pulling back a little bit, trending a little sideways, some consolidation. But overall, just keep some of these momentum stocks on your list, and have a good day trading, guys.
One that I wanted to bring to your guys' attention really quick. Just got this news in. Greenbrier reports Q3 revenue increases by 52% sequentially. And in pre-market here, they are moving up really, really strongly. There could be a move. Greenbrier GBX, we've traded a long time ago. But I think a target on that today could be 43.30 or even as high as 44. One second.
This thing's gonna open and rip.
Yeah, 1 second. Hello? Hey, what's up? Okay. Oh, okie dokie.
Anybody who's
Yep.
trading AGRI on TOS, it's messed up because AGRI used to be a ticker
3,400%.
something else. So the chart's kind of fucked up, and it glitches a little bit. I actually traded it on TOS. I didn't trade it on Fidelity, where I normally trade equity. I just happened to have my TOS account up, and I saw it make some funny movement after hours yesterday. That's when I got in. So it's gonna trade fine. It's just the chart's gonna look funky. So don't worry about the chart. Watch the chart on TradingView or something. Swappy, which ticker were you talking about? I'm sorry, I didn't see your message until now. By the way, guys, almost fell.
Yeah.
You're very close.
Getting ready here. By the way, Lulu, there's a lot of good setups, but Lulu above 375.25. I don't want Boeing to fake out, man. It has that fake out pattern. All right, guys, you can.
Oh, AGRI, swapping.
Check me there. I gotta get off.
I'm probably not
Peace.
gonna get back in. I'm already taking profit, and I got out for almost 100%. Like, I'm not gonna, try to. If I get in, I'm gonna get in a lot lighter than I did in pre-market and after hours yesterday. I had signaled it on, or not signaled it, but I mentioned it on live, and after hours yesterday, like right after the bell had rung. And I mentioned it to a couple people, but I don't know.
Jesus Christ. Sorry. There's the bell. I'm getting a ton of alerts right now.
Austin, if you're still in PFSW, keep it on watch. I think this thing might make a strong move today. Correct. COHN is a 6 RV. Correct.
Tesla is moving up here. Space just crossed 50, or is at, hold on a second. Okay, Space is trying to bounce.
Guys, so with ATRI being the top gainer on the list, it might get sorted up pretty strong at the open, so just be careful.
I'm doing it now. BA pulled back. Tesla's pulling back. Bridgeline Dental is pushing with weird volume. Is anybody's chain not loading?
I'm not loading it on POS.
dude.
Yes.
Tesla's. Watch Tesla bounce.
Atlas. You seem like too far.
Amazon. Okay, Amazon looks good. Yo, Amazon. Look at Amazon.
You can see Amazon. George, can you hear me better now?
Yeah. I'm looking at. Let's see.
Dude, I can't. None of my chain is loading.
Guys, car V is going again.
Is it?
Yep.
Watch.
They don't have options yet, right?
No, it doesn't. I was trying to buy some yesterday. Nothing.
Space is.
Yo,
Go ahead.
is this thing gonna go to fucking 100 today?
Dude, Amazon, come on. Amazon will not load. I'm trying to enter this trade.
Guys, BA looks like it hit a supply zone and that cannot hold at all. So if you are calls, maybe start trimming. That's just what I'm seeing based off the 5 minutes. So I haven't looked at the overall chart.
Yes, space, guys. Space.
Space.
Let's do it.
Tesla. Damn, Tesla pulled back.
Fubo.
Got it.
Yeah, this volume is pretty wild for that.
Yo, Fubo does. Yeah, Fubo above 29.63. Space needs to break above 52.75 for me. Amazon needs to break and hold 37.40. It wicked up, but it got pulled back. Space has great pushing crazy volume right now. Fubo, man, nice bounce, dude. What the hell?
Oracle.
CCIV is moving. I see the flow pattern as well.
Oracle is moving hard.
Yep.
Yeah, PLTR looks good above 23.50.
$50 call is coming for Fubo.
Dude, I'm really confused. Can you do what you are supposed to do, broker, and load the contracts that I wish to purchase?
Okay. What would you like?
George is your broker, bro.
George is my broker. That's great.
What would you like? Just say it. Don't worry.
I want to give me a Amazon 4000 call, Oracle $90 call, and a Fubo $30 call.
Okay, we are closed for today. Come back tomorrow.
Oh God! Just my luck.
Come back tomorrow. And he's sending to break that high a day. I was gonna send. Yep. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I'm about to fill into Fubo, at least into one contract. Oh, what the? Why? I can't. It doesn't automatically load the limit price. What the fuck?
You need hotkeys.
What?
Hotkeys.
I know. I gotta get them set back up on here. I haven't got them set up since I switched from TOS. All right, bruh. TOS. Come on. Oracle looks pretty good. Tesla, strong pullback, man. Every time they do that, I talked about that yesterday, that crazy flow. They do that a lot.
AGRI up 70%. Halted. What is this?
AGRI? AGRI?
Yeah, that's what I was. That's what I took in after hours yesterday.
Oh, okay, got you.
Earlier, I was talking about it on YouTube.
Okay, nah, it wasn't. Newegg.
It's not news. Sorry, go ahead.
Nah, I'm just saying Newegg is popping again.
Heck, AGRI is not news.
Oh, shit.
Purely momentum.
Okay, got you.
It's not halted, it's moving.
It's moving now, yeah. It was halted for a second.
Yeah, it's moving. It's here for a second now, it's pushing up. It's gonna halt. Wait for it.
Space is that's bullshit. What are you doing, Space?
It's testing its bottom trend line. Looks okay. AGRI, dude, what the hell?
We are up a lot in Henry, guys. Feel free just if you want to trade or put stop loss and profit because this hard stock they can reverse really fast as well.
100%. It doesn't hurt to trim, guys.
Yeah.
Be greedy.
Otherwise, your wife will just leave it all in the street.
Man,
Order
Jojo,
filled.
your wife must be mean. Mine just makes me sleep on the couch.
Yeah? No, I've got 2 houses, so it's okay. I focus on.
Oh, Newegg is ripping.
Yeah,
And these
The only
contracts.
thing that scares me about swinging this stock is if they come out and say, here's an offering, and
dude.
plummets.
Yeah, you take advantage of the moves.
Space. Amazon completely reversed. I'm glad I waited on that one.
GB is dumping.
That's a dumb stupid stock. Fubo pulled back. I never got filled. Because I couldn't get filled.
Does anybody know if there are earthquake stocks?
Hey, I don't know, but Peabody Energy, BTU, I just got an alert on that one, is breaking to the upside, kind of with some force. Earthquake stocks, what?
Yeah, the earthquake. And I was wondering if there was earthquake stocks. I mean, you never, so like only moves when there's hurricanes, UNG, natural gas.
Yeah.
That's one that moves when there's hurricanes, especially hitting the southeast. So I was wondering if there was any stocks that move when there's earthquakes.
Interesting. Whoever makes concrete.
Not a bad idea. Good call there, Gary. Okay, this earthquake was in Indonesia. So an Indonesian concrete manufacturer.
Okay, alright. I'm going.
Watch.
Yo, BA, I'm getting. Oh my God, BA. Ooh.
Say that one more time, Georgie.
BBLT.
Oh, dear.
BLT. Wait, B is in boy?
Yeah, B for boy. Tango Bravo, Lima Tango.
Yo, Boeing looks kind of good. Did you see that pop there? Bounced right off of that 50.
RV's going.
This thing has some nuts volume, man. Wow.
Yeah, it does.
They're saying RV is a potential short squeeze.
It does have a 50% short interest with a $500,000 share float, like literally a nano float.
I just filled into Boeing 240 calls for this week.
Already
Like,
halted.
stop.
What Tango Mogo? I don't understand.
Tesla.
He's talking about the Tango Bravo.
Cat is up 2.
Ah.
Yeah. Anybody take that? Or I have my entry at 216.85. All right, come on, Boeing.
HD is going.
Back up on HOFE.
Joe, watch for resistance
Woo!
at 740, roughly. Maybe like a penny or two below on Geo. The volume is decent, but I'm not sure what's driving that kind of movement. It's not a huge mover typically.
We have Peabody Energy, dude.
Oh, that was the one I mentioned yesterday. You're right. Good call. Let me check it out. Let's see if there's any news. What's the float on this one?
Yo, come on, Boeing, don't do this.
Ooh, that's heavy. 118 million. Let's stay away from that one. I didn't realize the float was that big.
Space.
There's others.
Watch for space to completely reverse. Just fly later. Oracle's been holding that high for a minute, dude.
Yeah.
All right, Boeing is
Oh, it looks like it's bouncing right now.
Yeah, I see that.
So I heard Newegg has a small float too.
Newegg does have a super small float.
It didn't have a lot of shares even to short.
Indeed.
I don't like that short on Boeing right there. Come on, Boeing, do something with
So
it.
Car V right now, guys, is halted right at its yesterday's highs.
But I'm thinking this thing opens up and pushes down, and then we maybe get a second hold to the upside.
DME. DME.
George, I think you gotta turn your mic up, or maybe I gotta turn my headphones up.
VME, Victor.
No.
Yo, BA.
Yeah, the price target at the grid to 17 and it's at 11.
Come on, BA, stop. Just
See
do
who
it.
the upgrade was from.
Uh,
Morgan Stanley. Wow, that's a big upgrade, bro. Wait, I have $13.
and 50 from the city as well.
50 as well? Okay.
Yeah.
So we could probably see $12 today on it, Georgie. I don't know if we'll see 13, but we could definitely see 12. What's the float on this?
It's nuts.
Yo, look at the wicks on Snap's 5 minute. That's nuts. Also, Oracle looks like it might break. Come on, BA, do something.
Whoa.
Boeing looks good.
Yeah, dude, Snap looks like it's either gonna get shorted at, like to hell or I don't know.
I think it's gonna run maybe.
Those are crazy wicks though. Apple's trying its hardest to push up. Boeing is trying to break 240. It's gotta clear right here. Come on, Boeing. Do it.
I'm in ZME. I'm light.
Xpev, maybe it's gonna do it again, the volume high.
There's Baba bouncing.
Keep watch on LMFA as well.
Yeah, I've seen that. Nothing.
JP Morgan.
Apple's pushing a little bit.
LMFA is gonna.
It's gonna try to hold, I think.
I'm not selling those yet.
JP Morgan's pushing right now.
Yeah, I saw 160 call I think today for GBM.
Wait, did we get a BA AI? No, that was yesterday. That's right. Sorry. I was like, whoa. 270 calls just came in for 820. Bidu 187.50 calls. BA 240 calls for today.
Amazon 3,900 for July 16.
Nucor. NUB looks good. Filling that gap.
Chewy. What's doing Chewy?
Chewy.
Oh, Chewy.
Yo, Virgin Galactic pulling back here.
Yeah, but Chewy volume declining just.
Oh, Car V on hold, dude.
There we go.
Man, I can't stay away from this freaking spot before I get
Yo, BA rejected hard, guys. You need to cut if this candle. Yeah, I'm gonna cut. Fucking BA, dude. Every time.
Oh.
Yep. AA shares. Alacola broke out. Fuck BA.
HOF3. Oh, nice. It's gonna go for high day.
Alright, I gotta wait for a bounce.
Market high.
Yo.
BA volume right now is insane, and they just rejected 240 hard.
Premarket FCX.
New core looks good, guys. The NUE. Low volume, but
wow.
it's going.
Yeah, it's moving
It had a nice gap, right?
Yep, it gapped all the way up to its the previous day's highs, and now it's gone. 96.50.
That's the space, the one from with the space, ASTR.
Oh, yes, ASTR, you're right.
Oracle's holding.
But do not
Yes, and I do still have those new core 100 calls. I actually have a couple 96s are firing today too. That went down a lot yesterday, but I'm still holding them, so they're almost break even.
You guys know with Bear?
Yeah.
Bear is running.
My position is just what I got yesterday.
It still didn't go above the yesterday high, but the volume in the last candle it's there.
Oh wow. Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Okay, agri. If anybody's in agri, it looks like this thing might dump. I didn't re-enter, but just be careful if you did in pre-market or something.
Yeah, Verb is running. Oracle's still holding that level.
Ooh, Boeing is playing games today. Damn.
Yeah, there's games being played right now, for sure.
Damn. That's nasty.
Dude, Apple just
I think
popped.
If it holds 232, though, you could see another pop to the upside.
Wow, look at Workhorse just totally gaps down.
237. Oh no, I said 237.
It did what?
If it holds 237, I think you could see another pop to the upside, but it's got to hold 237.
Apple going again.
That's a strong level for it right now.
Yeah. Fuck me, man.
Oh my god, what is it? Is there a news for Boeing?
Yeah, Apple's pushing up pretty nice right now.
Yeah, watch Twitter.
They're looking good still.
Twitter volume is high.
Amazon.
Hey, I'm an Amazon. Oh,
What strike are you in, Justin?
what's your strike, Justin?
Justin?
37.50, sorry. 37.
Expiring today?
Yeah.
Okay, Amazon 3,800 call just came for July 16.
BA 237.50 calls just came in. Someone's playing the bounce. Yo, Twitter.
Yeah.
Justin, what was your average on that Amazon call?
That's a global podcast.
Yeah.
Coach.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
How much is just moving like a snail? As you said.
Yeah. What's your guys' average on Amazon?
Nice movement. I haven't entered just yet, bro. I was gonna wait for a pull back.
Yeah, I mean,
Comcast made a nice move from yesterday, Georgie.
Yeah, and Disney, just keep an eye on Disney as well.
Did you fill into Amazon?
I haven't not. I was like, I mean, I'm looking at these contracts.
They're going nuts, dude. I'm watching.
Yeah.
It's going insane.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't touched it yet.
My average is 13.30. Sorry.
13:30. Okay.
Alright, what are you doing? I kind of got trapped. I tried to fill 4 times on the pullback on Boeing, and didn't get filled, so now I'm having to...
Overstock.
What the fuck? I got filled into Twitter? Thanks for telling me.
Overstock got a nice candle right there, guys. I'm still on those 92 calls from yesterday, so hopefully those go on my money. Tesla's selling out.
Yeah. All that flow yesterday. Crazy. Oracle's doing something.
Yeah, it looks like it's picking up.
Oh, Apple. Look at Apple.
Yeah, Apple's looking good. What do you think, Garrett? Apple?
C4 146 call
146 calls for today, Georgie?
for July 16.
July 16, 146 calls.
3.
If you're getting them back to back like that, Apple might start running.
Alright, I might just see airplane calls. July 16th. 146. Those are
now.
125. I'll take 2 of those.
Yeah, it's running this high day now.
Yeah.
It's going to pre-market high 143.89.
What you get to?
Also, Disney's high of day if anyone took it.
Overstock's going. Oh, come on, fill me. I can't get filled. No. I almost sold. Jeez, I just made a big mistake.
Damn.
I typed in 128 for that, to get filled into the Apple July 146s.
Yeah.
And I almost typed in like $1,128. So I'm sure if I actually put that through, I would have got filled in.
Twitter got ripped.
Anyone in Disney?
Disney.
Be careful, I'm seeing a lot of fake outs right now.
Mm-hmm. I got an alert on Facebook.
Yo, Boeing is picking back up.
Yep, BA.
Is value returning? Boeing, you said turned around.
Yeah, the Dow is pushing right now.
Oh, look at Facebook.
There we go. There we go. Oh my God, sweet relief.
Whew.
Boeing?
Yeah, it was like preparation H for my contracts. Workhorse looks like it's about to dump though.
Game is dumping.
Game?
Game is?
Game,
Which
yes.
one? GME or GAME?
Oh,
Game stop.
GameStop.
oh, yeah, game is dumping too.
The other one?
Yeah, both of them.
Hey, I got on Amazon. That shit freaked me out so bad.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, dude,
My
it
bad.
looks nasty.
Yeah, if you guys got into Twitter,
I'm up 50%, so it might be good to TP.
Boeing is going to, I mean, if the Dow can clear this high and push, because it's at a pretty key level, then we may see Boeing actually recover. We've seen Boeing do this before.
Yo, Mobo, are you on live?
Damn, nobody's rich now, bro.
Yo, Airbnb.
No
Yeah, I
way.
saw it.
He doesn't want to talk to us.
Yo, yeah, Airbnb's great setup.
Oh, you're selling your car, yeah?
Airbnb.
Upgrade to Lamborghini.
Twitter has to break.
Mobo has shares of stamps.com.
Wow.
Yo, if Twitter breaks 68, this thing could really rip.
Yeah.
Hey.
Ali.
Yep.
Ali is doing live.
Yeah, and he's going, guys, I want to go Delta. The chart looks good on the 5 as well, and if
Come on, Dow, break this right here.
if the Dow breaks to the upside, we could see some movement to 43. That's where I would take profit. It'd be $1 move. That's where I would take profit.
Best bounce.
Space bounce?
Yeah, it's at 50.45 now.
Yeah, I know. I
There you
can't.
go, Sushi. I love that you're scaling out, man. That's awesome.
Bravo, Sushi. You're doing well, bro.
Come on, Boeing. Put your back into it. Or something.
It's now a $65 call for July 16. What's another one?
Oh, yo, Airbnb is pushing.
Yeah, I grabbed 4 of the 146 contracts for today.
That's
You
right.
know what sucks?
Alright, Boeing could likely reject here. It's got to break 239.11. It's got to break it. No, don't do it. They're going to short it. Come on.
Oh, bro, space is pushing, huh?
It's moving.
Yeah,
We're going to
it retested 4860.
Damn, Amazon's dropping on that. Could take down the SPY.
Yeah, and if it takes down SPY, it can take down a bunch of other stuff with it.
Mm-hmm.
Dow's holding up.
And I think people are just taking profit, man.
Yeah. Facebook looks pretty good. Looks like the Q's more than the SPY.
Boeing is making a little 5-minute pennant, guys. If it breaks 37.71, this one's gonna dump. I don't like this setup. But Boeing, or the Dow, is holding green and has had a strong push here, but Boeing's not.
Airbnb's strong. Sorry.
No, you're fine. No, Twitter's also moving up here too, picking up a little bit of volume.
Just say it, man. Say Airbnb is going. Just say it,
Yep.
man.
Airbnb.
Apple's pushing here for 144.
Yep. Facebook's going for. Sorry, go.
Yeah, go. Just.
No.
Damn, immediately shorted at 68.
Alright, Facebook.
Guys, so keep EDR, okay? Endeavor
Yes.
Group Holdings on watch.
Yes,
We might swing that.
I have.
You already in it?
And I have a call for July. That's just 'cause I'm a big fan of the UFC.
Yeah, it's a UFC play.
Why
I'm
though?
gonna wait to see if we can find a bottom today, and then try to take it from the bottom.
Okay.
EDR, Endeavor Group Holdings.
What's the news? Is there news or you just?
So with the McGregor's fight this weekend, it's apparently supposed to be selling out at the venue. Apparently, it's already sold out at the venue.
It is already sold out.
And pay-per-view sales are saying that this is going to be the biggest pay-per-view sales that they're going to have.
Yeah, well, since they went public, for sure.
Remember, Jeffrey's share coverage with target $8. It's $3.69 now.
Which one is it?
ASLM.
Oh, yes, I do remember this.
Price target $8.
Oh no, Nick Time said that.
You know what, Alice? This stock, man, I mean, if you look at it since its IPO, it just hasn't broken this range from a top of 31, to 26. It's sort of almost at the bottom right now.
ASLM?
Yeah.
Wait,
It's weird.
It's
Jordan.
pharmaceutical.
ASLM. I keep
And for November.
Oh, damn it. Okay, sorry.
Most
Alright.
training ammo as
Yeah.
well.
This is where Boeing has to bounce. If it doesn't bounce, yeah, it's not going to bounce, I don't think.
Okay, I'm gonna get an ASLN light, and I'm more than likely swing it if it's got an $8 price target by Jeffries. Jeffries will move a stock, guys. Jeffries will move a stock. Heck, I like EDR. The float is really big though, so it's a slow mover. I'm gonna more than likely buy the August $30 strike. But I'm not gonna wait for the stock to go to 30. I just want the stock to go to 28, and then just make it off that. If the stock can go to 28 by like Monday or maybe sometime next week, if everything's trending up, then we'll still make some good money on the contracts.
Yo,
If it takes too long, then it's not gonna go to. It's gonna burn the contract a little bit.
I'm mad confused right now on Boeing. The Dow is ripping. No, the Dow is ripping, and Boeing is. I'm watching it on the 1 minute chart because there's a lot of high frequency trading happening, but I can't tell if it's going to hold or break this support here. It just retested it, so I'm just it's high volume, no movement day. And the Dow is moving, so.
Watch General Motors. The volume is crazy.
Boeing's gonna go to 235.55 if it pulls back. Here. It's gotta break up here and reclaim 237 or 238, excuse me. Come on, Boeing, do something cool. Yo, the Dow is ripping right now. How's Cat? Cat ripped. Yeah, Cat ripped.
Cat's ripped.
Yeah.
Oracle's ripping. Well, not ripping, but
LMT is holding up pretty strong as well.
All right, come on.
I'm still in Axe, Joseph. I'm still my Axe going as well. Chewy is pushing as well. The volume increasing.
Oh, I just got an alert on.
overstock.
Yeah, I just overstock. I was just about to say the same thing. Overstock here. What are you looking at? 90. What strike are you looking at?
I have the 92 calls that happened the other day. I don't think I'm gonna buy any more. I think I'm just gonna hold these.
Yeah,
Now they're
here we go. Back down on Boeing here.
yeah. I'm in the money now with these, so I'm just gonna hold these and take profit when it.
Alright, Boeing. What do you want?
Okay. Apple looking really strong.
Yeah, Apple's nice. Facebook's not doing that great. It's kind of just holding up. But Apple is likely going to go and finish filling the gap at 144.75.
Baba.
Really? Did it come back? Is it a wait?
Baba, I told you I'm gonna buy the dip. I told you.
That's an inverse head and shoulders. Yo, there's a strong bounce on Boeing. Let's go, boy. All right, I need Boeing above 238.85, and I need. There we go. Look at that volume. What is Twitter doing? By the way, Cat. Wow. It's not, and it's still within range, but yeah, Twitter. No bueno. Amazon's about to pull back to 3,700. All right, Boeing. Oh, chill, brother.
RV's trying to recover. Volume's low.
Twitter couldn't make it past 68. Come on, do it, Boeing.
Space. It's nice 51 right now.
RV's gonna try to hold. I think if this candle continues, it's gonna try to.
Space is
RV.
gonna go. 52.25 on space. That's where we need space to push. Yo, Overstock is about to do it.
A black bounce in the support, Austin.
Oracle's looking strong.
It's buy and hold for me. Blood.
I thought you said spy.
Yeah, for some, I saw he said spy halted. I was like, what?
I was like, we're doomed. It only holds down.
I was like, bro.
Yo, Boeing. Watch Boeing here. It's at that level. We recovered.
We recovered.
Alright, breaking down trend here. Let's go.
Oh, Biden's coming on today. One.
What do you want?
What does he want? He doesn't remember.
I think he's coming on to talk about the Trump press conference about him suing the social media companies.
Okay, so he receives the brief at 10, in town pool call time at noon.
Yo,
Press
BA.
briefing by Secretary Jen
Let's go,
at
come on.
12:30. Okay, so at 1:30, he's going to be signing an executive order promoting competition in the American economy.
Yo,
And then,
let's go, Boeing. Come on.
Yeah, Xpev is fighting with front support resistance, the small one.
It's got a nice flag on it already.
Yeah.
Yo, Amazon bounced off its support.
Dude, either Amazon's gonna dump or it's gonna rip, because that consolidation right there
Is
with
wild.
heavy volume like that, it's getting real tight.
Twitter is looking like it might want to do something crazy. It's trying, struggling with the HMC.
Oracle's looking strong.
So is OSDK, just at 93.
Yep.
Boeing has to break here, man. I feel bullish on Boeing here. Twitter, I'd like to see move up. There's Boeing. I averaged down. Should. There we go. Here we go, Boeing. Yup. Let's go. What is Lulu doing? Yo, check out Lulu with the gap fill here. 375.75. Gap fills at 377.88. Guys, I'm a little bit overexposed right now. A little bit heavier managing other trades, but that might be a good play for a potential gap fill. Let me take a look at the 5. Be careful. Don't go too... Okay, never mind. It's going now. Yo,
I'm
Lulu.
gonna keep filling into Oracle, guys. Just so.
Yo, Lulu looks like it's going to rip through its gap here. That was a huge bounce. Watch Lulu.
Watch BTX Brooklyn.
Oh, BTX?
Yeah.
The ripper.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, it's changed. So,
Come on, BA. Do it. Should I? Maybe I should walk out of the room. That
Wait, is Lulu halted?
There we go, BA. There we go. Woo! I was down 80% on BA, yo.
Wow. How can you up now?
No, but I'm not down that much anymore.
What's the rate are you in, Garrett?
240s. Lost. I just got an alert on LVS. Las Vegas Sands.
Las Vegas Sands?
Yeah, check out Las Vegas Sands 5150.
Where's BTX at?
Yo, BA, let's go. Come on, break that high. Let's go. And we got 240 is next.
You ain't got that dope.
That is the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life. Whatever.
Damn.
Be careful with BTX. This thing fakes out a lot.
Yo,
yeah.
239.13 seems like the plight of Boeing right now. We've got to break that level. Otherwise, this is a false breakout. Lulu, if anybody took that.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Yeah, Twitter's moving right here. It's got to break 68.23.
Viacom's pushing as well. Viacom.
There's Twitter. Just gotta be patient here.
2 decent candles on Viacom.
Didi is pushing today.
Yo, Airbnb flagging a little bit. You said DD?
Didi, yeah, Didi.
That reminds me,
Yeah.
AA Alacola is actually moving up here pretty strong. I might swing $40 calls into next week. I got kind of trapped in those last ones, but they've pumped up here today. That's aluminum, so.
I thought if you get NCEI with me yesterday, I'm out.
No, I didn't get into that one. NCI?
No, CEI,
CEI. Camber Energy. No, I remember you talking about it. That was a good bottom buy, too, Georgie.
Yeah.
That was a really good bottom buy.
Did anybody buy D-Nut with me this morning? I'm going to buy a little bit more. Yeah.
No, I got in the other day at like 19, so I'm like a barely break even, but I'm just going to hold this one.
I bought some this morning.
In the portfolio, bro.
Got you.
Bro, that EU news that we've seen it about the zero emission cars is good for NIO because NIO is expanding in Europe.
Have they been approved, Georgie?
Let's go, Boeing.
Approved about. NIO is already expanding in Europe. They have the sales, they have everything.
Okay.
They are okay, but yeah. I recommend equity, not options, to be honest. I'm not the option guy. So.
Yeah, no, that would be a more long play, I agree. Or if you're going to play options, they need to be after 2022, like late 2022 or 2023.
Yeah.
If somebody's gonna play that, EV move with emissions.
And if you wanted to hold with me, remember you're gonna hold for life. Anyway, I'm OS pushing. I'm OS, my swings.
A lot of social sentiment on Galt, but that's heavily shorted right now. GALT. What?
Galt.
Yeah, I'm watching that. Ooh, there we go. Come on, do it. Yuck. Oh.
Stop looking like this.
Diamond hand.
Yeah, okay.
Let's go. Do it. Oh, God.
No, 245s with you, but there's your DTs, but I bought them at
Overstock.
239 or 238 roughly around
Oof.
there.
Lulu. Tough rejection there.
Oh, what?
How's Amazon doing? It's still looking like it's gonna go down.
But yeah, I will punch a hole in the side of your plane if you don't go. Let's go.
Oracle still going.
Probably not physically able to do that, but I will try. I'll punch Atlas in the shoulder.
A Boeing?
No. Oracle, zero DT.
I was like, you're in a 20 line of zero DTEs, you are a madman.
Oracle.
What'd you do with the AGRI? Are you waiting on that one?
I took profit at 9 something, like 9 and some change. It was almost 100% for me.
AGRI?
Mm-hmm. I called it out yesterday when we were on
AgriForce, $9. Oh!
Mm-hmm.
Never
It was
mind.
literally just a Momo play, bro. Like
No, I thought for some reason you took it this morning.
No, so I got in yesterday after hours, right before you got off. I was talking about it, and then you hopped off, and I think Georgie was on for a second, and I just ended up getting in. I had like a 478 bill, and then I sold at $9.50 today, $9.50.
Nice.
Right around like 7 a.m.
All right, this is where we would get a fake out. Come on. I wish Boeing nothing but safe flights for the next 100 years. Let's go. Rip.
Hey, Dina, Krispy Kreme stock is going up.
Yeah, is anybody into ye old D-Nut? That sounded ridiculous.
Yeah. It's funny that they made the ticker D-Nut, right?
I mean, it's just... But, I mean, like, you had to go with something donut related.
Yeah, perfect.
What about you?
Ding dong is perfect, dude. But the D-Nut thing too, man, is like, hey, let's make it a meme. People will buy it.
Yeah, man.
It
seems like it has all the makings for a meme stock, you know?
Exactly.
Yeah, I don't like this on Boeing.
It's actually a strong company. Like, financially, they are a strong company.
It's Krispy Kreme.
Good enough for me. I'm 50 shares.
Pretty strong company. I don't see them going down. I need to do reviews.
Yeah, they're gonna go down.
But
Yeah, I'm pushing up. Yes, I laugh.
hell yeah, I got in that.
Yo, Krispy Kreme, let's go, D-Nut. Woo! Sheesh. Anybody on YouTube get D-Nut?
Yo, if anyone's in these Oracle 0TTs with me,
You're
I
up.
mean, yeah, we're nice.
Yeah, I think it's been pushing, and like the Oracle just doesn't move like that typically, but it's moving.
It's been moving. I mean, yesterday, you know, it died off a little bit, but it just filled the gap and went.
Why is Boeing or the Dow about to break highs, and it just not
Chopping.
just
Yeah, it's like destroying my premiums right now.
Wait, is Oracle the Dow?
Oracle is technically a value play. It is not a growth play.
I will straight up go get donuts from Krispy Kreme if this thing hits like $25 by next week.
Oracle is... So I use their software at work
Yeah,
pretty often.
regardless too.
They're the one... Okay, so you're familiar with how they operate as a company, right? They just go out and acquire, like, everybody that does something that's kind of similar to what they do, and then they just don't even, like, do anything to make any major improvements. And they just, like, repackage it and then sell it.
Yo,
at
overstock.
the way
Overstock.
that it was operating in the past.
Overstock. If anybody took overstock,
Yep.
that's nice.
Viacom right now too.
All right, watch BA here, 239.60.
If anyone on the Twitter, you just hit higher day. Manage your risk, don't replace your DTE.
Yeah, and it's under the HMA as well. Yo,
Guys, okay, so here's, I think, what's keeping Amazon at bay right now. They're saying that Biden's executive order could hurt Amazon, Apple, Facebook, and Google.
ouch.
Okay.
As long as it's not the precious
Baba.
Krispy Kreme. What about Baba?
I doesn't say anything about
Whatever.
Baba or Chinese.
Oh, no, Baba's literally ripping, yeah.
It's on high.
It's in its gap, it's got 208.50 as the gap fill, but it doesn't mean it's going to get it today. All right, come on, Boeing. Do it, dude. This thing is moving like hot dog water. Jesus.
Amazon might chop until the executive order.
I think Twitter might be done here if it can't break above 68.25 and like actually push. Right now it's showing a little bit of weakness. Come on, do it. Push it. There's Krispy Kreme, 1980 on Krispy Kreme. If you guys got the original fill this morning in Premarket, that was under $19.
If anyone's in these Oracle 0DTs, I'm going to take profit on the first significant red candle. So if it breaks
Oh, I didn't even see Costco.
87.41, to the downside, I'll just take profit.
Yo, don't sleep on Costco. I'm glad it's consolidating right now. It was up in Premarket on a new price target range. Let's go Boeing.
Yep.
Bro, you know the crazy thing about Boeing is it bounced off the 500 HMA on the daily yesterday.
Let's go, Boeing.
Perfect bounce.
But yeah, do it.
Viacom, strong.
Sounds like your clan. Viacom
If
story.
anyone took those overstock 92s expiring today, I'm on 100% right now with the trim one.
Yeah, those are trim factors for me as well. Come on, Boeing. Everybody loves it. Just go.
We all take your airplanes. Even though they're test machines.
So, I don't know.
Look, bro, I'm a CFO. I'm not the engineering guy.
You approve the
I'm taking profit on Oracle.
Okay, me too. I'm taking profit on Hex signal. High five.
Sorry, go ahead.
The film is nice. His ASLM does. Anyway, go on.
Should be up on it, yeah, what Georgia said on ASLN, but on Joe, on the executive order, apparently it's going to be bad for Facebook, Amazon, Apple, and Google. It could hurt them.
Alright,
Nobody knows exactly what all the details are in the executive order
I'm out of Twitter.
just yet.
Out of Twitter. Nice. Filled at 42. That was a 80% play, guys. If you got Twitter. Let's go, Boeing. Do it. Oh, let's go. Please.
I'm going to need Boeing to make a small move to 245.
The hilarious thing is this whole time I'm watching the 1 minute, it just feels like eternity. It just feels...
Oh, God.
I mean, that original dump, dude, I tried to exit, then it bounced. So I was like, okay, let me see if it breaks the hole. Rejected again, so I entered puts, right? Cheap puts to the downside, and I tried to scalp it to the downside a little bit. Didn't really get much out of that. And then so I saw it, I was like, all right, this is literally, I saw this resistance line, I was like, this is literally where it has to bounce off of 237.50. And then it bounced, so I held it. And right now, I'm scared. It's okay.
Airbnb pushing, Viacom pushing.
I don't like that. Boeing. Don't you double top here, Berber.
Airbnb.
We got 52 seconds in this candle. Do I need to leave? Usually every time I leave, stocks rip. It's a proven fact. I've caught it on tape.
Just act like you're not watching.
Yeah, Airbnb.
I haven't, because hold till 208. No, so that's you're gonna be holding. Are you in weeklies, Kiprit, on Baba? So what you want to do is you want to trim into strength. So right now you're about to close this candle with a doji. If you're in weeklies, a push like that is where you want to go ahead and take profit or start to scale out. The 9-day moving average is still lagging behind at around 204. So usually when I see the moving average, like Twitter has more of a chance to break this HMA here, as the 9 is holding it up right behind support. On Baba, it doesn't necessarily mean that the entirety of the gap is going to get filled. So if you have weekly, and I'm talking about from the perspective of weekly holders, because if you're in weeklies today, there's no reason why you should be holding for more. Like you should be in and out, as long in strength, except for EA, because ouch. All right. BA needs to bounce.
Airbnb.
What'd you say?
No, just he's me. He got his Airbnb.
Oh, okay.
CIV.
Yo, Baba.
CIV today.
No, I didn't. I heard you talk about it this morning.
More equity, pre-market.
Watch Twitter above 68.30 here, guys. Slowly cranking up, but it just can't break that HMA.
That's something.
Yeah, come on,
What's up,
man.
bro?
So far.
I just
I'm
looked.
stretching, bro.
I just looked away, dude, and BA just freaking
Okay.
pulled back.
Amazon challenge to G dismissed by federal court.
Yeah, I saw it.
News.
Oh, okay. We broke resistance. We're retesting. All right, I'm okay with this. I'm watching the 1 minute, mind you. So
It's Amazon News.
Amazon News.
Yeah, Amazon challenge to GEDI dismissed by federal court.
Damn. Oof, Lulu, pull back hard. Yeah, if you're in weeklies on Baba, and you enter...
Not Astro. I have another stream that I watch during market hours with the chat that large following, so it's a lot of news coming through.
Can I get some BA flow, please? Nothing. That chair, man.
Did you see that unusual word for a spy?
Yeah,
I didn't.
that's 345.
Yo, your chair is ridiculous, dog.
That's August, bro.
What's going on with this one? So many flows on people's time.
$730,000. So I hope that's a hedge. Mobile, I don't recommend shorting CarMax, but I'm assuming they were trying to give you an awful deal on your car.
Did he ask you to take it for free?
Oh, Walgreens. Walgreens, guys.
Son of a biscuit.
WBA.
WBA.
Why? I got an alert this morning in Premarket. Mother trucker.
Yes, dude.
Damn. That one moves in sympathy sometimes.
Yeah.
That one's moving up too as well. Not at Walgreens. Looks like it's actually Neo is dumping.
Everything you guys are...
Oh, Neo is dumping, dude.
everything, everything.
Fuck, Boeing. All right, I'm about to cut it.
Oh, I invest, yeah. That's why, not just me.
How about Dow?
Still holding green.
Hey, Georgie, CEI ripping.
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't know if Boeing's gonna hold. This is not looking good.
47.50. 47.50.
Yo.
47.50. I'm gonna fill into some Walgreens. 47.50 calls. Gotcha.
I'm about to send you a can of WD-40, my guy.
Oh, for my squeaky chair?
Is that you? Oh, I thought that was Atlas.
Yeah. No, it's me.
It's not me.
Oh,
It's me. Hey, I said it last week. I just haven't got the fucking.
Oh, you're good. You're good, dude. I was just gonna clown Atlas because his chairs.
You can clown me. You can clown me, bro. We're friends.
You stupid chair. No, just kidding. All right, bounce at 204.20 for Baba. Boeing is, I don't know, on crack cocaine currently, so just give it a minute. I'm watching it. Too choppy right now, man.
Come on, load TOS. Dude, I swear to God, I'm gonna...
Are you on desktop?
We're on YouTube.
No, I tried desktop and it's not working. Now I went to mobile and that's also not working.
My desktop is working okay. The app.
I can't, like, the chain won't load.
Weird. On which spot? Just anything?
I'm trying to enter a put, like, fucking piece of shit, bro. That is so annoying. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to be so vulgar, but, like, literally can't even enter the trade because this broker's trash.
Bro, yeah.
What put are you trying to enter?
I was trying to enter Amazon short, and it's already up $200 from the position I was about to enter.
Boeing's about to pull back here. I think this was a false breakout.
Oh, Amazon dumping.
Yeah, they had that look, dude. Oh, damn, yeah. That thing's about to go past 336.90. You're not looking good. All right, there's Boeing. All right, I gotta skedaddle out of here.
This thing is holding up. Mobile car, did you buy it last time?
It's in? No, never mind.
I'm short, but I got a late fill, so I don't know if you guys want to get in or just wait for the rejection and see what happens.
Trading account. I'm not gonna actually touch this, but just in TOS, I just wanted to see if it would load. It would. So
Did it load for you?
It did, but it's on my paper trading account, so I don't know what that is.
Yeah, paper trading will load anything.
I just wanted to test to see if it would go through.
For future reference, Kip, on YouTube, man, if you're in weeklies, you don't ever need to be holding too long. Like on that first initial breakout was where you would have looked to trim the majority of your positions. So
Oracle's bouncing.
Yo, Krispy Kreme bounced really nicely. If you guys still have that. Boeing is absolutely plummeting right now.
Yeah, Amazon taking too many figures with it.
I hear. I'm still in these overstock ODTs. I tried to trim one of them, but I didn't get it filled, so I got two right now.
I'm gonna exit on this bounce. That was ridiculous.
Boeing?
Yeah, I can't tell if what it could be doing is extending its wedge, but that would depend on where it's finishing here. But
You can see if it recovers VWAP before you exit?
yeah, I'm waiting for this bounce. I'm actually. I know it sounds crazy. I'm watching the 30-second right now.
Apple is going for high day.
Apple.
Krispy
Nice.
Kreme.
Apple super bullish today with that executive order supposed to be coming out.
Yeah, that could collab it.
I'm probably
I
gonna.
got the July 16th on Apple.
Yeah, there's Boeing right there. Somebody's about to short it.
Airbnb, high today.
Nice.
Say it more, bro. I like it.
Oracle, high today.
What trades have you guys taken today? Anybody take their own trades? Oh, let's talk in the chat. Anybody want to brag? Yo, look at Boeing. Probably about to pull back down below 238.30.
It might bounce, man. I don't know.
Airbnb high today, 146.
I want to hope, but it just.
Are you heavy?
I've been able to trim. Usually on bounces, like where it just recovered back up to 239, I trimmed out a good majority. I was down less than 20% rather than being down 80% like I was previously. All right, so this is what I got for Boeing right now, and this is being generous. This is gonna be really tiny, but
Sushi, if you hold GBS, it will pay off. Just hold it.
I'm holding GBS.
What is snow? Snow. I see the $260 call coming as well.
what are the Qs doing though?
Yes. Oh, Baba $195 quote, 1.2 million.
It might see a bounce here.
For 16 of June 23. Snow is pushing. No.
Yeah, I see it. What is the
Overstock, high today.
Okay, Boeing bounced. A little
Yeah.
bit. Let's see if it gets VWAP. Or is it at VWAP?
Yeah, it's above VWAP right now.
Oh yeah, just.
Well, I'm looking at the 1 minute.
No, you're right. It's there. 238.65. Snow is wind
Yep.
filling. Wow. Lulu is doing weird shit. Alright, Boeing. This is. I've never been this not excited to see a green candle. I don't like the emotional abuse.
No bushings, no.
There we go. Finally.
What?
You
No.
call 890K for 366 strike, 20th August.
I mean, it's holding that 357.50 level. It could rip. Yo, Boeing. Alright, I'm about to walk out.
Yep.
I'm about to just walk away. Nice job, BT, on those Neo puts, guys.
No, looks good right now.
Yeah,
Snow. Snow.
No. Dude, I like the daily. The daily looks really good. That's what I was asking.
Here's a
you
BA
about
bounce.
earlier.
Huh?
I like the daily on snow. That's what I was saying. Like snow 300.
Alright, I'm walking away. Dude, look at Boeing.
There it is. There it is.
Oh yeah, I'll be right back.
Hello, Ellie.
I'm gonna take profit on overstock right here. 250 to 325. Let's see if I can get filled at 300. Nice, I got filled. Yeah.
Yeah, going, snow going. Nice guys, full back today.
I got a nice fill on the overstock when I sold that contract.
Sold at the ask.
Just below the ask.
Nice.
Snow. Oh, anyone in snow? Should be printing. You brought the ATR at the top.
Man, I'm kind of like overextended right now. I want to get in, but
Georgie, what do you call it, though? Not in equity.
in what, snow?
Yeah.
0 DT or?
No, hell no. I got well, I say hell no because I got the
What are you doing?
long strike. I got 300.
300 for long?
For August.
August? 300 strike?
August 20th.
August 20th, 300 strike. I'll take it with you.
LTS, the guided signal before I see one call for 52.5, July 16.
I grabbed that same contract out.
I'm just gonna see if it can make the move up to like, I don't know, maybe 280. And then I'm only in 2 contracts. I'll probably trim one there and then maybe let the other one run depending on how much profit I have on the 280s or when it hits 280.
Gotcha. I still got these new core contracts too. They're in the money right now, but I'm down $5, but I think I'm just gonna take profit. I don't know. Soon. I'm in some Airbnb ODTEs as well, and I may take. Maybe I'm gonna let the phone ride up a little bit. Oh, snow!
Let's go, baby.
She said is pushing today as well as us. It's high day now.
Oh, he said. I haven't heard that name in a while. It's got a nice pattern on the daily, too.
We're going to $5.
Let's go. I like it, Georgie.
No, 300 call. Is that you? Heck or? I just saw 300 call.
For snow.
Yeah, for 19th of September. Sorry, 19th of
Oh no, I have August 20.
Yeah, I grabbed August 20th too.
No, it's 19th of November, sorry.
Those are, but I'm sure those are expensive as hell too.
It's 1400.
Yeah.
I'm thinking to take a leap on GME, yeah.
That wouldn't be a bad idea, man. It's it didn't recover like everything else recovered.
Yeah, it recovered in pre-market, but it just dumped at the open.
Yeah. And even on the daily, it's still kind of back lower lower than I thought it would be.
Yeah, it could be building some kind of inverse head and shoulder at the daily. Might be.
Oh,
Yeah,
Over
if it
stock.
continues to trend up from here, it will.
Yeah.
damn, overstock. Took profit a little too early. Sorry, though. Got it. Almost 200%.
But you're playing 0 DDE, isn't it? So.
Well, yeah, but I got the contract a few days ago, so like they were dead and they came back to life.
Zero DTE.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. That's risky, bro.
It was risky, but I wasn't even planning on holding it until today, but overstock like kind of dumped a little bit yesterday, so I was gonna cut it, for like what $40.
Right.
I want you to watch ARVL.
Arrival.
Yeah.
Space Snake. Nice.
No high of day.
Nice. Microsoft is pushing as well. Microsoft.
Okay.
I think it was down earlier when it's swollen.
Yeah, it just bounced off the ATR, didn't break it to the downside. And now, I don't know, I want to see the next candle. Maybe you have EMA cross the 5. It's by 1.4 million call, 455 strike for 17th of September.
Apple had a day. That's all-time highs for Apple, yeah.
I think so. It's close. If it's not at all time high, I think it's close.
All-time high is 144.88. No, 145.09.
Oh right, we had that the other day.
Damn, snow ripped.
Yeah, it's ripping. That one was January 21.
Yo, I'm looking at Costco right now. Costco's looking really good. Might swing a 415 call. Dude, Boeing is wild.
We got some red candles across the board here. Airbnb, Snow, Walgreens, Overstock, Nucor. Oh, did I get out of Nucor? Oh shit, I'm still in this one. I gotta get out of this. Alright.
Nice job on Snow, Sneak. Let's go.
No, the 100 for the later expiration I'm still holding on, but I had a 0 DT that I just cut. Damn, Airbnb, big red candle. Alright, now I'm ready. Alright, well, I'll cut this one.
It's got around 8% short interest, Airbnb.
I might swing Big C. See the down, dude. This is bizarre, bro. Come on and tell me that they're not trying to shake me out personally on Boeing right now. What in the hell? I am watching the 1 minute, but
Oh
still.
shit, that's SQBG. That was in my watch list from 2 days ago.
Holy shit.
What is it?
Oh,
It's just
Sequential brands?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a new one, right?
A couple days ago.
Yo, damn. That's huge.
It's moving.
Yeah, it is. Costco is moving here, guys. Hold on. Might be best to get July 23rd. Guys, this is for bigger accounts, but I'm gonna signal this in my channel.
Alright, I'm out of Airbnb.
Then it's been running slowly. I think you signal that, isn't it? Yeah.
What is it?
Sunday. There.
Yeah.
Vail?
Yeah, you signal it.
Oh, yeah. I was looking at that one. Premarket, too.
It's about to pull back for a little flag here, I think.
Vail was nice to, just to play options. Like, just, if you swing calls, you can make a lot whatever.
Atlas, you should be out good on Chris from yesterday.
Yeah, I am. I think I'm gonna probably take profits
Look,
soon.
my opals sprinkles on top with the green.
Nice, and 100% in the snow. Well done.
It's good.
Damn, Airbnb just faked me out.
What does it look like?
Well, no, I cut it on the red candle and I just had a bounce, but...
Oh, yeah.
Minimum lost $40.
You gotta, yeah. One of the things I have to remind myself always is to let the candle close, especially on 5-minute candles, because those ones can shake you about the most.
Yeah.
I am watching Big C here, guys. Hold on one
You
second.
high, yeah, going 144, going to 145.
Oh, I thought you said Boeing. I was about to poop my pants.
Apple, not bad.
It's like, no. Not again. Yo, those are... Oh, Big C only has $75 calls for July 16th.
Mosaic is
What are you at?
almost 4%. MOS.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's my swing.
I got the these ones are kind of dead. I got the July 16, 35 calls, but I mean those are slowed down.
Apple still not all-time high.
Apple just hit all-time highs?
No, it's not all-time high Apple.
Wait for the headline. They'll tap all-time highs so they can drop the headline.
Yeah, it's 145.09, the all-time high.
Damn, Airbnb might see more. Yo, sequential's still halted. Damn, dude, what a ripper. It's at a main resistance. They halted it right at 1658 zone. If it was to break there, it could go into the
We might
20s.
rip due to that too.
Yeah. Snowflake, yo. If anybody got snow, hot damn.
Yeah, I'm in X in I don't know, but I'm out to August.
Alright. Boeing. Annoying. The queues look like they might run though. Where's Microsoft?
Some call as well for September, September, snow.
Yo, why does Microsoft look like it's making an hourly head and shoulders? below 275, that would end up happening. All right, if Boeing bounces here and heads up back to resistance, it has to break. Period. End of story. If it doesn't, and right now it's trying to clear the 5-minute 9-day moving average. If it can do that, it's got to go hit 239.50.
Cool. Sorry, Garrett. I'm new to this, so I gotta learn to not interrupt people.
No, you're fine. We are all close together. Yo, Apple, wow.
Yeah.
Anybody
Man,
think-
I wish I put the Apple ODTEs.
Now Apple all-time high.
Yeah. I got the 146s for July 16th. Those are
Qs are pushing.
40%.
Watch Microsoft today, guys, to bounce. Watch this one. Let's go down. Let's see. I'll show you my screen here. So I'm gonna watch this one above 277. So I got an alert there. It's 200-day EMA. I don't know. I think Microsoft might be a good play today, guys.
$300 car just came in.
Yeah. Wow. That wasn't me.
Yo, Honeywell up too.
Yo, I'm gonna grab a 277.50 on Microsoft. Guys, this is a YOLO, but I'm gonna grab a good bit of the Microsoft. I'm not gonna enter until I signal it. So.
Honeywell. That could be bringing the Dow up.
BT's asking if it's weekly here.
Yes, I am grabbing weeklies. They're relatively cheap. Yo, Snow's about to go hit 260. Fuck. Don't go stupid on them. 277 is where I'm gonna add to this position. Yep, there's my alert. Yo, Microsoft, if you got, or excuse me, Costco. If you guys took Costco, you're already in the green. Microsoft could really push guys to 279.60 if volume continues like this. It looks good. All right, Boeing. I hate you. Sorry, but I am done. I'm over it. This is ridiculous.
Take Airbus from now on.
Airbus, yes, please. Yo, Costco ripping. Watching Big C, I'm going to take a $75 call, I think, for next week. Yep.
Watch Zoom as well.
Alright, this is
What was that?
Where? What?
Zoom.
Georgie?
Video.
Zoom.
Say no more.
All I want to do is zoom.
Nice.
You okay, bro?
Hey, you doing? I don't know, maybe I'm too old.
No.
Yeah, you guys don't know that song, man?
I remember that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, what? I hung out with older people, I guess. So. Not older people. Sorry, heck. I hung out with old people.
Alright, Apple's coming down a little bit.
Airbnb is going for higher days. We're feeling Zoom is running, huh? I told you.
Yeah. Damn, I'm out of color, Airbnb running good.
I don't even want to look at it. Alright, let's see if we can get a push on Microsoft, guys. I'm going to trim a little bit when it goes in the money, but I'm not going to be totally out of this position because I think this one could push.
Exactly. Hey, you know.
What?
The song that I was singing, Faith.
I'll have to look it up now. I'm curious.
What, the song?
Yeah.
Oh, man, I don't even know the name of that song. Let's look up. All I want to do a zoom, and a boom, boom.
Say again.
I think it's called Shaky Rump.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, give up. Yo, Snow! Dude, Snow. Look at Snow.
Oh, SQBG Open.
I grabbed a 260 YOLO contract on Snow. It's about to go in the money. Yo, Snow.
Nice.
Holy shit, man. Look, dude, it's breaking out of a huge zone, man. This thing could really go. It might be worth swinging, guys. I might have to swing this.
That's why I grabbed those 300s, bro. I was
146.72 now.
What'd you say?
thinking that. Sorry, go ahead, Rudy.
No, nothing. Go on.
No, I was thinking it could hit 300 maybe by August, but if it hits 280, I'm probably gonna take profit. I got August 20th.
Microsoft.
Yeah, I'm watching. Looks good. Those calls are cheap, dude. They'll pay. They pay. All right, Boeing. I might even play this to the down. You know what? No, I'm not even. I'm not playing with it. I was gonna say I might play it to the downside.
Oh, Car V right now, guys, picking up. I'm still in this.
Yeah.
Well, actually, I got out of this. I got back in today, so.
Build
Yeah,
throw up and then it's gonna try to attempt to break that 42.52 level.
Oh yeah.
What, Car V?
Yeah, it's gonna. That's the next big level if it breaks if it goes above the candle it's in now.
Man. All right, come on.
Apple.
Let's go.
2 week high.
Let's go. The Qs are ripping. Snowflake just hit 260. I gotta take profit, dude. That was insane. I'll wait for a pullback, dude. It might be good for more scalpage. All right, come on. Let's go, Microsoft. You got a few more cents and we'll be in the money. Hold on to a few of these, you guys, if you can. Okay, small time frame breaking downtrend for Boeing a little bit. I'm sorry, I'm talking about Boeing a lot, but I got trapped.
Chop, pop.
$239.86 levels really strong. It's an old level I have.
You guys should be up on Microsoft. What was you guys' fills? I got around the
53, 52. I filled twice, so.
I didn't get in. I don't want to limit a little bit too much at the moment, so I'm gonna try to trim some stuff.
All right, Boeing mic. Oh, retest resistance. I don't get it. I'm done doing analysis on Boeing. I'm just gonna wait. All right, come on, Microsoft. There we go. 246. All right, you guys are almost in the money here. But like I said, I'm holding on to these because I think that we could break this downtrend. I think we already did. Yeah, we did. 278 would be the next target here. All right, a few more cents. There it is. You're in the money. If you guys went a little bit heavy on that one, you can trim here. Okay.
Anyone take two?
No, but look at Boeing. Look at Boeing, dude. Look at Boeing.
Netflix.
Oh, God, I'm gonna lose my shit.
Come back.
Netflix, guys.
Yeah, look, I'm pulling it up right now. Oh, I just got an alert on. Oh, I got an alert on Lemonade too. Oh, nothing special. It tried to pop. Got shorted immediately. Damn, Netflix. Where are you? What are you gonna take? All right, the volume is kind of
Just
low.
watching it right now.
All right, Boeing. If you're gonna do this, I've literally been.
But
It's 11 o'clock. I usually am not even trading right now. All right.
If it holds above 535, I might take a call.
All right. Feel free to trim.
Yeah, Microsoft is on fire right now.
That was a nice bounce right there. I knew
Shopify, high today.
Guys, I'm going to enter one $75 call on Big C.
For?
I think they're going to do next week.
Okay.
I'm just doing one, though.
Yeah.
And I'll add next week. Obviously,
Facebook, high today. Sorry, good.
No, you're fine. I was just going to say you guys can take a later expiration if you want. Microsoft, guys, you guys should be up. Good. Boeing. Don't say it. All right, I can't even. I'm not going to say this name more than 3 times, but it's doing things. Play the chart, not your contract. Even though Theta has been eating me alive. All right, here we go on Boeing. It's pushing up. 240. That was an impressive push on snow, man. Nice catch, whoever called that. What was that, Georgie?
Yes.
Nice job. Netflix is up against that 234 or 235 level, right below it. Lemonade is offering a weird setup right now. Bouncing. I'm wondering if this one could go hit $99 today. I'll watch that one for a scalp, guys. I think it could actually go past 97.50. All right, Boeing climbing here. Come on, 240. Watch for a rejection. That's the shitty thing about these options is Theta has destroyed them.
Good shit, kind of. Yeah, I mean, we're probably the same age. I'm 35, so maybe we're in the same age group where we remember songs like that.
I'm about to be 30 next year. Fuck you, Boeing. God dang it. Excuse me, sorry guys. Wow, I wish we would have caught that bottom bounce on Netflix, huh?
That was nice.
Yeah, that would have been sick. Alright, getting a little pullback here. 10 seconds left in this Boeing candle. Don't want a doji. Buyers, please step up. That's better than nothing. High volume on that one. Alright, 5-minute candle close. Let's see if we might get a retest here of 239.40 if we don't climb up. Alright, we're going for high of day, 240.20. Microsoft pulling back, so if you guys trimmed, looking good on that.
K-Web pushing up.
What's a HOVE doing? I feel like I should hold on to that. What do
I
you
think
think?
that's a good one to hold on to, and also TCAT.
TCAT, yeah, I'll take a look at that.
Yeah.
Ye old TCAT. Alright, I don't know if Boeing's gonna do it, dude. This is ridiculous. I just want to get out of this trade.
RV's pushing down.
Yeah, I see that.
Stay to this. Yeah, get out of this. Like RV.
Yo, EDU receives so much flow. It's insane.
Isn't that wild, dude? I saw that too.
Watch for a bounce on Neo, guys.
RV's probably about to get halted down. I don't know how you guys are in this, so.
Neo's actually heading back down though. Let's try to. All right, Boeing's making a little flag here.
Facebook, the chart looks good, but I'm scared for the Biden executive order.
It's the only thing that's keeping me from like taking an Apple or Facebook trade right now because they both look great. I just that news makes me uneasy.
Come on, Boeing.
Yeah.
Come on, Boeing. There's higher volume here than there was previously on that last rejection. Is it illegal to stream Black Widow on this Discord?
Oh, guys, IDT. Have you guys seen this ticker? IDT. So,
But it's a nice move. Move $3, and this thing was a slow mover too, so that's a big move for it. Yeah, it's definitely a big move. Look at all the higher days. It like just chops in this like very narrow range.
Boeing.
yeah.
All right. Are my diamond hands gonna pull off?
130 BT.
Come on, let's do it. I need to see. There we go. Come on. There we go, Boeing. Volume's picking up. Let's go. Let's go, Boeing.
BA, huh?
Yeah. Finally, dude.
Yeah. Oh, big C got a candle right now, too. I'm gonna grab those V.
Yeah. I might
Yeah,
cut
no,
Microsoft here if it doesn't bounce. Cut the rest of those. But
75 call. Got 2.
come on, Boeing. Give me a big green dingus, dude. I mean, I'm talking like a
Really
$5.
ugly double bottom on the 5, but it's there.
On what ticker, Alex?
Boeing. On 5, it's got a really ugly double bottom, but it's there.
All right, there it is. See, that is options for you right there. I got destroyed by Theta.
Okay. Fed report just came out. Upside risk to inflation outlook in the near term have increased.
Fuck. Watch Lemonade. What, that just came out, you said?
Yeah. So BA should continue to rip off of that.
Jordan, are you still on here?
Yeah, just get that.
Are you still holding AEHL?
Yeah, let me check it down.
What's the stock you were talking about that yesterday?
Lemonade. Yeah, I'm gonna take Lemonade.
Yeah, I'm still there.
Okay, me too. Let me know if you end up exiting the position.
I'm gonna grab a $98 call, guys.
For today?
Yeah. Don't go crazy, but I think we could see a push here.
KWEB is pushing right now.
Who?
KWEB.
Oh, nice. Snow is pushing again, guys.
What is this thing?
Snow is about to push, guys.
Suicide, China ETF.
AMC? What's going on with AMC? It hit that target, 49.55. That I talked about this morning. Deadpan right there, just completely rejected. So, what'd you get filled at? The spread's kind of wonky on Lemonade. Uh-oh. Come on, Boeing. do something awesome.
So Caleb is, wait, how long?
Wait, what did he just? China asks websites platform to ban downloads of 25 Diddy apps.
I'm going to take these, two of the K-Web. Come on.
Come on, Boeing.
Tight spread, K-Web. Taking two of the $65 calls for next week. See if I can get it filled at the bid 40 cents.
Watch this space above $50 again.
Man, why are you even trying to get filled with the bid on this? It's like a $5 difference.
Here goes lemonade.
Yeah, lemonade looks good.
There it is. I hit the premium smooth. Alright, we need Boeing to bounce here. Retest of the breakout level on the 1 minute. So we should see a bounce here. Costco. What are you doing, Costco? Getting a little bit of a pullback.
Vail.
Who?
Vail, V-A-L-E.
Oh.
If this thing continues to go.
If you guys...
Alright, hold on a second. I'm gonna make a play.
If you guys took Costco with me, if it doesn't bounce here, you can take the 410 puts for this week. They're $40 right now. So if you guys took Costco long, go ahead and do that now. We are getting a bounce here on Boeing. We've got 3 minutes left in this 5-minute candle, 33 seconds left in this 1 minute. So I want to see it make a new high here. It's not a new high on the one. So back up to 240. Microsoft retesting the 9-day moving average. I expect a bounce here as well.
I grabbed. Nope, never mind. No, I didn't.
Atlas, keep your eye on BNGO.
I know.
Yeah.
Yo, watch.
Nice to go.
Bingo.
Oh, you just picked up big time, Georgie.
He just got in.
No, I got in yesterday.
I grabbed. Oh, sorry, George, you go ahead.
No, it's okay.
I grabbed 10 of the Vail, V-A-L-E, 2250 DTE calls. These are like 5 cents a piece right now.
Georgie, Atlas, watch EDU above 660.
That's
Caleb. Bounced off the channel. Yeah, I see this. So, Karen, my play on K-Web kept it light. I just grabbed 2 of the $65 calls for next week at 45 cents. But, I mean, this is just, I'm sort of just playing momentum here. I don't even really know about this stock. So. Could swing Vail into next week. Maybe I'll do that.
They pay dividends, isn't it? Yeah.
What's that?
They pay dividends.
Vail pays a really nice dividend, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do.
Yo, I grabbed 100 shares of Vail, just trading the momentum, and I got like a $40 dividend, like within a few days.
Shorts are gonna pick up on Boeing, dude. I think this is a fake out. Oh no. Oh wait, hold on. Shit.
Yeah, $44 off $2,000 in like 3 days.
But last time you would do, yeah.
Yeah, I'm in.
1, 2. I don't know, man. Watch RSLS. Didn't you call that before?
Yeah.
622. 622. It's making a little flag here. It's got decent volume today.
The dividend yield on Vail is 7.23.
Nice.
Percent.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Sounds like the boy Plunger. Yeah, Garrett said that to me yesterday. I gotta get an actual microphone. I'm on my earbuds.
I was still hear you clear.
You still hearing what?
Pretty clear.
Okay, good.
Okay.
But,
Yo, space might look leg down here. Alright, Boeing. Alright, so I'm not like entirely sure here, but we could end up reversing on Boeing. I'm looking at the hourly chart here. We have to break 200 or 240. If not, we're not going anywhere. Yeah, and on the only thing, unfortunately, right now is the hourly is almost overbought. Snow is about to go though. Might hit 260, 250 here.
So, Zoom is going.
Is it? Nice. Probably on the COVID stuff. The variant news. Alright.
I'm gonna grab 10 of the Vail VALE 22.5 calls for next week. Average 38 cents. So I'm spending $380. Let's see how long I'm not getting filled. I got one contract at 10 filled. What the hell is this?
Might be best to look to play Boeing short then. Towards the end of the
Bro,
day.
why don't we fill in one contract?
Showing weakness against the Dow.
Come on, man, fill in
Yo,
one.
I might fill into snow here. Hold on one second. I'm gonna get a 260, 250, I think, right here. At 125.
I got filled. So I got filled on the Vail contracts.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are 125 right now.
Which one?
I'm talking about snow. I'm trying to get filled right now on the 260, 250s. Microsoft's retesting downtrend.
D-Nut is looking pretty good.
Yeah. If anybody wants to take a little bit of profit if we get a pop here above $20. Nick.
On D-Nut?
Yes, Nick is banned. Guys, below 238.62, I may short Boeing. Because at this point, it's just a nightmare. The Dow is ripped and Boeing has done nothing.
You said below what?
238, I guess 238.15, I might start a position, but the break of 238, I think we're going to go ahead and see 236. RSLS.
I think we might get a bounce at 239 flat.
It could. That's the last place it can bounce. And then above it could hit 241.50 at the most. Reshape RSLS Atlas looks really good. Check that setup out.
Yeah, the setup looks good. If we're going to take RSLS, volume's really high. I would just add on dips and see what happens at high a day, because this thing can get a knife out of nowhere.
Yeah. I don't want to dip out of Boeing and then have it just rip. Krispy Kreme's pushing here. Still waiting for snow.
Actually, are you in Airbnb? And what's your average? It's no high today.
Yeah, I'm going. Alright. I got the 260, 250s. On snow. Anybody else get those with me? Anybody in snow?
I am.
You're in snow? Okay.
Yeah, I'm in snow. I'm in August, though.
I'm just taking another weekly 260, 250.
Uber. Yeah.
Alright, we're at 239 pretty much on Boeing. We got a bounce here. Momentum to the upside, just not looking good. Whole ribbon indicator's about to flip green. Or flip red, excuse me.
No, have you averaged down on Uber? Uber looks nice. Look, check
Uber.
Yeah.
Damn, nice bounce off the 9 right there. Let it clear high day. Let it clear 49. I just got an alert on STM. What the hell? Oh, yeah. I'm alright on that one.
Nice.
Square pushing up right now.
Damn. Yeah, that ripped. It's got a gap to fill all the way to 243.58. Snow just hit 261. Alright, Boeing is at support here. It's not gonna go. I'm probably gonna play the downside if we break here, Atlas.
Yeah. Where are you gonna, what's your target? 238 even?
236.75. 236. Yeah. See if we get the bounce. It's bouncing right now. A little bit. D-Nut just hit $20. Rejected immediately. It's kind of got a reversal pattern here. Snow is slowly creeping up.
The video bounced up.
That one's got to recover here soon. Oh wow, look at that triple bottom. With a fat gap. I might have to catch that one. Draw an uptrend or a downtrend from pre-market high right there. Look at that. I can just send it.
Ooh, snow is still pushing.
Yeah, if you guys got snow, if you go in the money, go ahead and take profit. It's up to you whether you want to leave a runner. It's weeklies though, so don't be greedy. Let's see what we get. 262.20. Orders. Rip City. Let's go.
Yeah, I got 2 of those contracts with you.
Yeah. Oh, 262. Those are already paying. Nice.
Oh, no.
Oh!
I got the father of expedition.
Let's go. TP, baby. TP. Oh, look at that push, baby. Oh, that was nice. I was able to recover some profits there. All right, I got one more left.
Yeah, snow is beautiful.
Anybody have snow?
Heck, if we hit 265, I'm gonna take profit on the 300s and then wait for it to get back in.
Yuhan Kim, what are you asking? Or what are you referring to? Uber looks good, trying to break high of day here. Yo, that was way beyond what we could have ever hoped for on snow, dude. That paid so well. Did you take profit on those, Heck?
On what?
Did you get into snow?
No, not the ones expiring today. I got the 300 calls for 820 with Atlas, but those are up 33% from here now. So
yeah,
good luck, Atlas.
Over is pushing you.
Yep, 49. Be careful on 49. Let the candle close above it. I would put on the video. Did it change to uptrend? Nvidia breaks this downtrend around. If it breaks 800 and volume picks up, yeah. In fact, I'd probably take it for a swing to the upside. Potentially. Yo, nice TP on Snowflake.
Thank you. Airbnb nice today. Pretty nice. So shift your heavy just a trim little bit. Scale up.
Look at that wick. Ugh. All right, Boeing. It bounced, but is it gonna act?
This is what we did to snow today. No, gone.
Yeah, that reversal on snow was nasty, dude.
Yeah.
Anybody?
Like,
That's why you don't FOMO.
put on exit. I told you, man, you're an alien.
Shopify, high of day. What's that?
Yeah, nice recovery on that.
9 killed in skydiving accident in Sweden.
What? Jesus.
9 people were killed in a skydiving accident in Sweden.
Jesus.
I don't understand why the people they put themselves in this skydiving.
The plane crashed. Wait. Why didn't... Never mind.
What airline was it?
It wasn't an airplane. It was a private single-engine
Wait.
DHC.
People
Yeah, it
skydive.
was a DHC. Oh, something happened in the middle of the runway, so they weren't even able to jump.
Oh, they didn't even take flight.
I mean, I want to go skydiving, but maybe in a better plane. I don't know.
I've done it 4 times.
Have you?
Yeah.
All right, Boeing is going to get shorted, I think. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that rejection off the HMA on the one, guys. This is ridiculous.
PayPal got a price target upgrade. I'm trying to deal where it was from.
No, 260 next week just came in.
I think I'm going to enter downside position on Boeing, man. This is ridiculous.
Yeah.
Or I might just leave it alone and take the loss.
You maybe just leave.
Yeah, I think I'm going to break even for the day here, so.
Disney higher days, well done, guys. Anyone in Disney? PT, I remember on mobile.
Couldn't do it.
It's fun. It's definitely a rush.
I've done the high-rise window cleaning thing, and that was enough for me. So
Yeah, man.
For now.
I've done it 4 times. I probably won't do it again.
yeah, I don't know if I'll do high-rise window cleaning anymore, but I will go skydiving.
If you pay me millions, I won't do it.
I won't do it. All right, I got a short Boeing, dude.
Facebook had a day.
This sucks. What a good setup on Boeing, just to be smothered. Yeah, I see that bounce right there. If you're talking about I see it bouncing, and that's VWAP too. But if it breaks VWAP, that's it. I'm gonna short it, or maybe it's gonna exit. Who?
PayPal.
Stupid ass.
I mean, mobile. If it's not Airbus, I will not get any aircraft. Yeah.
Yo, PayPal, damn.
I think they just got a price target upgrade. I can't find it. Did I lose you guys? No, here's the
Yo, that right there, not happening.
What?
Those getting swung off the roof. The slingshot off the roof, that would be tight. Have you seen that? Or where they slingshot people off of cliffs?
No. Is that like bungee jumping kind of?
Yeah, but no bungee, just parachutes. They just shoot you off a cliff. If I had major adrenaline issues, I would definitely do squirrel suits, but that's not gonna happen. So
That's a whole nother level of.
I've seen dudes that they just jump into like mist into clouds. Can't even see the bottom. They're just like, see ya.
There's a lot. The squirrel suits people like die in those all the time.
Yeah.
Just the math, because you have to jump off like a cliff or a mountain, and there's a lot of wind, and if you get like an updraft out of nowhere and causes you to flip, and you can't rotate, you're screwed. Especially if you're
close to the ground.
Shoot.
Yeah. I'm gonna TP a little bit of Krispy Kreme. No more Krispy Kreme. Crispy. Yo, 300 on PayPal. Rolly called it like last year or something.
Target.
Oh, it already hit 300 before, but
Yeah.
yo, this one, that might be a good swing. I don't know.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
The daily looks gnarly. If it closes, no, I was to say if it closes this way, it looks good.
Let me know if you enter the swing.
Yeah, I will.
Square looks pretty good too. I use Square. Square's a good company, man. I mean, everyone uses Cash App, but to actually process payments, Square's a good company.
Square is a solid company.
I know they charge me a bunch of just fees for every credit card. Yeah, every credit card transaction. So they must make a ton of money.
I think I might short BA here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
Facebook new high.
What, Ellie? You want me to come out?
Oh, Disney, how you doing?
Damn. Alright.
Man, I want to get into some swings for them. I mean, I have a few, but just this